Hi guys, so I'm going to place a sell order here. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you. I've increased my lot, so I'm going to, if you want to check the margin, so I'm using 777. So before you hit that, because I'm online, I'm going to change it back to what right now. So I've not set my TP actually, so I'm going to set my TP right now. So, okay, so I'm online, so I'm going to. So hi guys, it's Matthew again, and this is our third strategy. You can see we are close to green there, $7, $10. So I'm good with that. So this is Matthew again. First of all I want you guys to do is to first sign up for a free trading account here. I introduced this new broker to you guys a few days ago. There's a forex trading platform, Exness. So first thing you have to do is to sign up for a free trading account. Some of the subscribers have already signed up, but those who haven't signed up yet, make sure you use any of this link to sign up right now for a free trading account, because we are going to be releasing strategies on this broker platform henceforth, and we're going to be releasing free automated trading bots. Yes, free automated trading bots. So make sure you sign up right now on this broker platform. Then you activate your account, upload your identity, your passport, your phone number, address, and all that. Then make sure you subscribe to all our 3 channels, because today we are going to release 3 strategies on the broker platform. So subscribe to all our 3 channels. These are the links again. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trading. So once you sign up, you log into your account, verify your account, you click on trade on terminal. So it's going to open this page right here. So here we are trading the gold versus USD. So once it's open this page, we see all the currencies. You can click on the plus to add the gold versus USD. We see XAU/USD. So once you do that, you go to the time, you set it to 1 minute. Then you go here, you change this to line. It will be candle by default. You change it to line. Then you go to the indicator. This is the indicator right there. This is the indicator we are using right here. So we are using the average true range indicator. So once you click on it, it's going to open this red stuff right there. You will see it down. So once you see that, then you draw a line. You have to draw a line. You click on the line. So once you click on the line, you draw a line. You can see I've drawn a line already. So I'm trying to draw another line, so let me close one of the lines. So I've closed that indicator. So let me open the indicator again. So that's the indicator. Then I'm going to draw another line for me to start over again. So I'm going to draw the line right there. The line color I choose is yellow, so that I'll be able to identify. You can change the color to any color as well. So the reason why I make sure this line is facing this direction is because so that when this thing then make sure you expand it, so that when this thing cross the line here, when it cross the line, once it goes down and cross the line, I'm going to click on buy. So that's it has to be very close to the extreme head of this red stuff right there. So once it goes down and cross the line, I will quickly click on buy. So another thing you want to do is to set your lot. So if you have a lot of funds in your account, you can increase your lot to maybe this. But if you don't have a lot in your account, you can set your lot to maybe 0.05 or 0.10. So that's where I set my lot to 0.991. The higher your lot, the higher your margin, then the higher your profit or loss. So that's it. So let's watch this red thing cross the line we draw. Then we quickly, you can see it has hit the line. So I want it to cross the line a bit. So it's pushing right back again. So once it cross the line a bit, I'm going to click on buy. You can see it's pushing right up again. So it's pushing right up again. So I'm going to have to wait for it to cross the line. you have to be patient. That's one thing about Forex. You have to be very, very patient. Remember, we are watching this red indicator right there. You can see it's pushing right down again. So once you can see, once this thing is expanding, you can expand the line, you can expand it. So wait again for it to cross the line. You have to be patient. Okay, so we click on buy right there. We click on buy because it has crossed the line. So I'm going to set my TP. I'm going to set my TP now. I'm going to click on plus. I'm going to click on plus. Okay, so you can see we're already in green there. So I'm going to click on plus, or you can click on minus as well. So you have to reduce. You have to reduce the number here. So you have to reduce it because we click on buy, so you have to reduce it to the down number. That's the low number. So you can set the TP to 1708.200. So that's too high there. So you can change it to maybe 1709. Let's see, 500. Okay, sorry, let me close this again and set. Okay, okay, 1709. Let's say 100. So and I modify, then I will stay online. I will stay online for it to go right up. So I have to stay online. I have to stay online for it to go right up. So once it hits this TP that I set, it's going to close the trade. Then if I'm online and it's green and I'm okay with the profits, I'm going to close the trade by myself as well. So we have to wait for it to push right up. You have to stay online. So you make sure you have enough funds in your account before you set high loss. But if you have low funds in your account, you have to set your loss to low loss. It has to be 0.05 or 0.10 or even 0.001 or something. But because there's enough funds on this account, that's why I set the loss to 0.91. So if this thing is green as well and is pushing right up, this is how I'm going to make more profit as well. You can see the yellow is already pushing right up. So once it's green, you don't have to wait for it to hit the TP. So once it's green, you don't have to wait for it to hit the TP. Once you see profit maybe from 10 USD and you can close the trade and you trade again. You can see it's already pushing right up. It's pushing right up. They are close to green. box has to be right here, because once it's green you quickly close the trade. Once you are okay with the margin, you quickly close it. You don't have to wait for the profit to be much. Even if it's $10 or $20, you can quickly take that and trade again, because if you wait, it can rebound anytime. $17. Okay, you can see right there we made 20 bucks right there. Make 20 bucks right there. So make sure you watch the indicator before you place the trade. Then make sure you are smart with it before you place the trade. Then make sure your mouse is on the close button, so once it's green you quickly close the trade. Once you make like $10 or $20, close the trade and you can trade again. So that's it, guys. For those who haven't signed up for a trading account here, this is the link right here. Use this link. We're going to paste it. You can use any of them. We're going to paste them in the video description on YouTube. So use the links to sign up for a free trading account. Then we are going to also release free automated trading bots as stated earlier. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels using the subscribe link right there. Thanks for watching. Bye.